Hello students. In this video I'm going to continue on with our Microsoft Outlook tasks that we're working on in this course. Just as a reminder that when you're working with the Microsoft Outlook, to actually use the Outlook software, you can find it there. Oops, I've already installed it. Instead of using the email that you get from the Loop, you want to make sure that your Outlook is going to look similar to this. There are slightly different versions. Once I get into the processes are going to be more or less the same. Finding them might be a little different. So it might just have to, you can ask me in class, you can send me an email if you can't find something that's something specifically. So what we're working on in this video is we have a video about custom signature, creating two subfolders in your inbox, and then creating and using two different rules. Now, as you can see in my inbox, I have quite a few different rules. So when emails come from certain people that I have selected as admin, they go into this folder. Students or emails that I get from various students in this section go into this email folder. Business, faculty, college staff. Basically, I've created rules for emails to go into various folders. Those rules and instructions are on an earlier video. What I want to do here is continue with this. Let's do these two in this video, and then we'll come together and work on some other ones. So remember that if the task says for you to email, that's what I expect. If it says a screenshot, you take a screenshot using various tools on your computer, including snipping tool, which you can find down here. There's your snipping tool. Just remember where you save it, and then when you go into the submission folder to upload, you just need to remember where you saved it so you can upload it there quite easily. And then when it's there, I get notification, I go in there and mark it. So it's a really nice process. So we're going to do this by sending a new meeting request to someone, and then use the reply with a meeting feature. Both of these are going to set up a meeting. It's just going to be, one is when you are initiating a meeting, and the second one here is if you are someone is asking to see you, for example, and they basically say, can you set up a meeting? You're going to respond with that meeting invite. So go through that process. Let's go here. So in your Microsoft Outlook, let's get rid of the snipping tool. New items, there is our meeting. Other versions are going to be similar. It might all be included under the email button, so you just have to be aware of that. So we're going to click this meeting. We're going to title it. Let's just title it something fun, meeting. With secret spies. Required. Who do you want to be there? Now, I don't know if I can make a meeting with myself. I can, but yeah, let's just make a meeting with myself. So basically, you can enter as many people here as you want. There's our admin support people. You can add them. You can make a meeting with numerous people. Start time, we're going to pick a time. It's going to be next Wednesday at, this is a secret meeting time, so we're going to make it middle of the night. And it's going to be for 2.5 hours. Location, it's set up. The default is set up to have a Microsoft Teams meeting, but because this is a secret meeting with spies, we're not going to have anything online. So I'm going to specify a location. Let's go to McDonald's. And we can get rid of all of that. And And basically you can give a little email here. This will go as an email. You can say, prepared to talk about secret stuff. And then you press send. Let's close this. And then I should get an email invite because I sent it to myself. But it's going to show up on that person's calendar. It's going to show up on your calendar as well. Let's go here, September 13. There is, it's scheduled. Right there, meeting with secret spies. Okay, so now you get an email. I'll pick one of my admin people here. You get an email, and basically they're asking for a time to meet. So you go into the message, and this icon here is going to be reply with meeting. And once again, some of the locations of the functions and tools aren't going to be the same, but in this version it's right there. So we're going to reply with a meeting. We're sending it to all of these people, so I'm not going to press send because that will just really mess up people's calendars. Sending to all these people. I'm going to pick a time and a date and location. I can type in basically anything about the meeting that I want to. I can include an agenda, and then we press send, and that will go to everyone that you have listed here in the required field. So I'm not going to do that because I'll get in trouble for creating fake important meetings. And then you press send and it's done. So I'm going to get out of that. Delete, yes, and delete that. Let's go here. So that's how you're going to create a new meeting and then reply with a meeting.